Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chowder in Dreamlight Valley. This delightful 3-star appetizer is a fantastic way to restore your energy. To prepare this dish, you'll need just 3 simple ingredients: 1 piece of seafood, 1 carton of milk, and 1 potato. The great news is that you can use any kind of seafood you find, making it quite versatile for your culinary adventures. First, let's gather your seafood and milk. You can easily catch seafood by fishing in any of the valley's many bodies of water. Just look for those bubbling spots. For the milk, head over to Remai's pantry. He sells fresh milk for 239 star coins per carton. Make sure you have enough star coins ready for this essential dairy item. Next up, we need potatoes. You'll find potato seeds at Goofy's stall in the Forgotten Lands biome. Each seed costs 189 star coins. Once planted, these versatile vegetables take about 35 minutes to grow. Each successful harvest will yield 4 potatoes, giving you plenty for multiple chowder dishes or other recipes. With all your ingredients in hand, head to any cooking station. Simply combine your 1 seafood, 1 milk, and 1 potato to create a delicious chowder. This hearty dish is excellent for boosting your energy, restoring a generous 1,580 points. If you're looking to earn some extra star coins, you can sell each chowder for 368 star coins.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.